Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Cars have been synonymous with freedom since the time Ford launched the Model T in 1908. Cars have also been an inspiration, a design love and adrenaline-pumping machine. A love of automobiles and any sort of motorized transport, motorbikes, kit cars etc., brings groups of people together and bond them amongst the petrol-scented air. Auto shows and motoring events are the perfect place to get unbelievable close to the latest supercar releases, rediscover old classics, watch some exception motorsport and even get up close and personal to the world's best drivers from Nascar to Formula One. In this video we are talking about 8 best US car shows 2022. But before we get into the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. 8. Nashville International Auto Show. Nashville. The Nashville International Auto Show is an international exhibition of automobiles in Nashville. Here are the car manufacturer GM, Toyota, and Hyundai with its own exhibitions. There are numerous shows e.g. for economical cars, but also luxury cars and classic cars are a wide audience. Visitors can close the cars and the performance and handling of this experience. The Nashville International Auto Show takes place biennially and therefore presumably in October 2021 in Nashville. 7. Connecticut International Auto Show. Montville. The Connecticut International Auto Show is an automobile fair of the extra class. Numerous exhibitors present many different types of vehicles that are used for different purposes on this important information and communication platform. Traditional cars are also represented as commercial vehicles, including the necessary accessories, decorative elements, and manufacturing facilities. Trade visitors who want to get an idea of the latest models, eco-friendly trends, and brands should definitely take part in this fair. Fuel-efficient cars and compact cars to alternative drives, SUVs and trucks, on the Connecticut Auto Show show all important national and international car manufacturers with a wide range of new models. Representatives of the leading manufacturers will be on hand to answer questions and provide information on the latest vehicles. The venue is the Mohegan Sun Expo Center in Montville. 6. Central California Auto Show. Fresno. The Central California Auto Show is one of the largest international automotive exhibitions in USA. A large number of manufacturers and suppliers of car parts will showcase their latest products and technologies. Visitors get the chance to test drives and get an intensive insight into the American car market. 5. South Carolina International Auto Show. Greenville. South Carolina International Auto Show in Greenville presents the latest vehicle trends. From fuel-efficient compact cars and alternative fuel vehicles to the latest crossovers, SUVs, and tough trucks, the auto show will showcase a vast selection of new models from major domestic and import manufacturers. Representatives from leading manufacturers will be on site to answer questions and provide information on the latest vehicles. Attendees can get behind the wheels to try each vehicle on for size, learn about the latest automotive technology and explore futuristic concept cars. 4. New England International Auto Show. Boston. New England International Auto Show is an automobile exhibition, with an emphasis on alternative fuel technologies such as hybrid technology and efficient diesel engines. Of course, there are also conventional vehicles, new introductions, and concept cars. The New England Auto Show is a showcase for the latest models and representatives from the auto industry answer the questions of visitors. Cars for every budget and every lifestyle can be found at this fair. 3. West Virginia International Auto Show. Charleston. The West Virginia International Auto Show is an international exhibition of automobiles in Charleston. Here are the car manufacturer GM, Toyota, and Hyundai with its own exhibitions. There are numerous shows e.g. for economical cars, but also luxury cars and classic cars are a wide audience. Visitors can close the cars and the performance and handling of this experience. 2. Virginia International Auto Show. Richmond. On display at the Virginia International Auto Show will be several exciting all-new or redesigned vehicles as well as a collection of futuristic concept cars to provide consumers a glimpse into the inventive future of automotive design. Hundreds of new cars, trucks, sport, utility vehicles, and crossovers are showcased. Attendees looking for environmentally friendly cars can follow the green trail at the auto show and learn about the latest trends in alternative fuel vehicles. 1. Denver Auto Show. Denver. About 40 car lines from various manufacturers are presented at the Denver Auto Show taking place at the Colorado Convention Center of Denver, among them also crossovers, hybrids, and exotic cars. This offers excellent opportunities for visitors looking for a new car to compare prices and features. Apart from just looking at the cars and gathering information about the latest models and fuel-efficient technologies, visitors are allowed to test drive the vehicles. On the show floor there is an obstacle course for Jeeps, and during daylight hours the vehicles can be tried out on the road. Another highlight is the aftermarket. Special accessories can be selected to trick out the cars. Musical entertainment and contests complete the event. The exhibition center can be reached by public transport, bicycle, and car. On-site parking is available all day long. That's all there is for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please leave us with your valuable feedback if you found this video interesting. Stay tuned to our channel till the next video, and until then, see you soon.